Hey guys, what's going on? Gonna take a quick look at Chainlink here, currently on a weekly time frame, and ticker for this is LINK. Covered this coin about 3 weeks ago, and in that video I gave you all these levels. I don't really want to go over where each of these, actually I'll just go over the relevant ones, okay? So right now, if you're trading Chainlink, I would recommend that you take a horizontal trend line and paste it right at the top of these candle bodies right here. So this level here, it was support, then when we broke below it, it was resistance, then resistance. So support level flipped to resistance, and this is the nearby level of resistance at around $18.18. Now, the local level of support, just take a horizontal trend line once again and paste it below these two candle bodies right here. And when we broke above it, we came back down pretty much for a retest. But Chainlink right now is so bullish that the price didn't even make it all the way back down. We came within about 15 cents of this support area, and then buyer stepped in and bought it up, as you can see from this long wick. And the following candle here came down pretty close to it as well, but it's also being bought up. So Chainlink is looking pretty strong right now. And that's not surprising considering down here we had a multi-year accumulation period, which we finally broke out of. And we had these three down-sloping trend lines. So for example, right here, this one went from the top of here to here to here, multi-touches. And then when we broke out of it, we came back down and retested as a support. So this here was a successful resistance to support flip. We have another potential trend line that people were going to be looking at as well. We broke out of that. And now we're essentially just on our way up to higher targets, right? So the first level of resistance for me on this link to USDT chart is going to be, again, $18.26. This is the range right here, between $18.26 and down here at around $12.66. So pretty big range. If we do consolidate within this area for a while, you can play these highs and lows, right? So when we get to the top, you can potentially short. If you come back down here, you can long. I would be more confident taking long positions than short positions on Chainlink right now, just because, yeah, we are bullish. We have a lot of momentum behind us, and we have broken this multi-year accumulation period. Now, as for why we got resistance right here and we didn't make it all the way up, I think it's because on the Link Bitcoin chart, so I'm going to show you that right now, we came to a resistance. Okay, so this is the Link Bitcoin chart on the weekly time frame, and this is the most recent high, and we just came back up to it. But what's interesting on this chart is, I'm going to kind of zoom out here, and again, this is Link paired with Bitcoin. So we had this long-term uptrend, right, where we're putting in higher highs and higher lows. That broke, and then we started putting in this downtrend, right? So we had this down-sloping level of resistance with 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. We recently broke out of it, and now we came basically again to the high here, and this is where we got the rejection point. So what you want to look for on this Link Bitcoin chart is a weekly candle body close above this line. This line is, I mean, it's 0.0004388. Just basically take a horizontal trend line or horizontal right and place it at the top of these candle bodies right here. Now, when we start closing weekly candle bodies above here, that's going to mark a shift in trend. That's going to mean we're going from a downtrend where we're putting in basically lower highs and lower lows to an uptrend again, right? If we break this high, we break the trend. And also what you want to look for, if we're able to break above here, is putting in a low, like on the pullback, we put in a low that is higher than this low. And I think when that happens, you can look to Chainlink to start really outperforming Bitcoin, right? So as you can see, this is a pretty clear-cut chart, right? So uptrend, and then we shift to a downtrend, and now we're potentially breaking the downtrend to head back into perhaps something like this, an uptrend, right? All the way up. So yeah, I mean, great news. Let's take it back to the Chainlink USD or a Chainlink Tether chart. And yeah, just look at this. This chart looks quite good. We've maintained this key level, right? This was a very important level not to break down, broke out of the multi-year consolidation, heading back up within a very tradable range right here. Approximately $18.30 is the local resistance. Down here is the support. So bullish that we haven't even come all the way down to retest the support yet, but we may not have to because we came within 15 cents of it, and people were just so eager to buy that up. If Bitcoin does crash and pulls the rest of the market down with it, like a huge drop, I just ran a Fibonacci from this swing low here up to the swing high, and I see a high confluence around this range. So this golden pocket range, 61.8 to 65, above this broken level of resistance. So we haven't actually retested this level as a support. So if the price does crash for whatever reason, right here at around $9.63 up to $9.83, this golden pocket range would be an amazing place to buy. Right, so if that happens, I'm definitely buying down here. However, I'm not too sure even this support is going to break. But anyway, guys, that's just a quick update on Chainlink because they just had a request. I'm about to head out to get some food now, but hopefully you found that helpful. If you did, smash a like button. If you're not subscribed and you want to get notified when I release new content, click subscribe, click the bell, click on all. This is a new channel. There's not many subscribers, and because of that, I'm not really prioritizing the search algorithm. So if you click away without subscribing, you may have a hard time finding the channel again, right? Also, if you want a place to trade Chainlink, I put a link to 3 different exchanges in the pinned comment and the description. All 3 of them are offering you guys sign-up bonuses, but I think they've even amplified the bonuses now that it is Black Friday weekend, and there's a lot of promotions going on. So if you want to get some freebies, check out those links. Also, you may need a VPN to access them, just depending on your location. NordVPN is having a Black Friday sale, so I put a link to that as well. And also, guys, if you've been thinking about getting a hardware wallet, Ledger is having a big Black Friday promotion right now. I put a link to that in the pinned comment and the description so you can see what they're offering. It's a great deal, and I definitely recommend that you keep the bulk of your crypto stored safely offline on a hardware wallet, right? You don't want to use the hot wallets for the majority of your coins, and you definitely don't want to keep the majority of your stack on the exchanges, right? Because we've seen a lot of exchanges go down in the past, particularly FTX, the most recent one, where they just essentially jack people's coins. So yeah, as you know, the saying goes, not your keys, not your coins. And if you've been thinking about getting a safer wallet, then yeah, check out the promotion Ledger's running. All right, guys, take care. Have a good day. Bye.